Hi, my name is Mayur Suvarna, and I am a leadership training consultant and a voice artist and a voice coach. When I got to know of Anand's 2 day training program on mindfulness, I was thinking, what would I do for 2 sessions? But when I actually went through his program called Live a Stress Free Life and Achieve Your Goals, it was a revelation. I learned the concept of mindfulness, the technique of crafting our life purpose, designing our goals, the concept of natural alpha state, and maintaining the alpha state. His teaching methods were very interactive and insightful and simple, and full of deeper understanding of the working of the mind. Actually, over the 2 day sessions, he was so perseverant, knowledgeable, and connected with us that it didn't feel like we're sitting through 2 days, but actually, we were looking forward to it. Actually, Anand's training program came in as a breath of fresh air at a time when so many of us are going through a lot of disappointments and gloom all around. He lifted our spirits and, true to his name, made us Anandit. He's a wonderful facilitator, and his approach and facilitation style is one of simplicity, patience, and kindness. I am complete in gratitude to have experienced this program, and he has ensured we look at life in a positive and successful way. I sincerely recommend Anand's training on mindfulness and goal setting, which will open a new way of looking at ourselves and the people all around us. All the very best, Anand, and please keep up the good work. Thank you.